In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit interfaces for specific users in Airtable. First, start by opening the Airtable base that contains the interface you want to limit. Think of the base as the home for your data and the interface as the tailored view or app built on top of it. You'll need to be in the correct base to manage who can see or interact with its interface. If you don't see the right content, double-check that you're in the intended base. Next, look to the top of Airtable and click Interfaces. This switches you from the traditional grid or view area into the space where all your interfaces live. If you've built multiple interfaces for different teams or workflows, you'll see them listed here. Open the specific interface you want to manage. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one, especially if your naming is similar across projects. Managing permissions at the right interface level ensures the right people see the right content without confusion. Now, click Share in the top right corner. This opens the sharing panel for the interface you're currently viewing. It's separate from base-wide sharing, so make sure you're using the Share button associated with the interface, not the base. Inside the sharing window, locate the Collaborator Permissions section. Here you'll see roles like Owner, Creator, Editor, Commenter, and Read Only. These roles define how much access each person has. Owners and creators can manage structure and settings, while Editor, Commenter, and Read Only are more limited in what they can do. Choose the appropriate permission level for each user. As a quick guide, Read Only means someone can view the interface without making changes. Commenter allows users to add comments but not edit records. Editor grants the ability to modify records through the interface. Assign the most restrictive role that still lets someone do their job. This helps maintain data integrity and reduces accidental edits. If you spot users who should not access this interface, remove them here. This is a clean way to ensure that only the intended audience can view or interact with the interface. It's a good habit to review this list periodically, especially after team changes. Your changes save automatically. Once updated, only the selected users with the roles you assigned will have access to this interface. If you want extra peace of mind, you can refresh the page or ask a teammate to confirm their access matches what you intended. That's it for limiting interfaces for specific users in Airtable. Keep your interfaces focused, your data safe, and your team efficient. Thanks for watching.